India's President Droupadi Murmu honoured Meghalaya's Silbi Passah with the Padma Shri for her contributions to the arts during a ceremony in New Delhi. Passah, a retired Hindi teacher and accomplished artist, has been actively involved in promoting cultural heritage through various artistic endeavours, including training teachers in art and music. She has received numerous awards for her dedication and service, and her achievements have been recognized both nationally and internationally. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, present at the ceremony, extended his congratulations to Silbi Passah.
I just got back from Droupadi Bhavan, where I witnessed the distribution of the Padma Awards by the Honorable President of India, and among the recipients was our very own citizen of our state, Silbi Passah, and I take this opportunity to really congratulate her for all the work and the contributions that she has given in the past many years, and also for making all of us proud. And not only her, but all the other recipients who received the award, I would like to congratulate all of them. It was a wonderful moment to see the stories, hear the stories unfold about the different contributions that the individuals have made, some from very, very humble background, and being recognized at the highest level was really, in a way, a very solemn occasion in the program, and I felt very blessed to be part of it. And it was wonderful to have, as I said, our own Silbi Passah to receive this award. So I once again thank the Government of India. I thank the Honorable President for giving the award, and congratulate Silbi Passah as well as the other recipients of the Padma Awards for making all of us proud.